Hello everyone. Today's presentation is based on argument advanced in Arnab Goswami bail case. Republic TV editor-in-chief Arnab Goswami was granted bail today by the Supreme Court in the case relating to the alleged abetment of suicide of interior designer. Malice on the part of the state. The thrust of Self's argument was the reopening of the case was motivated. Self took the court through the chain of events that led to the reopening of the case, making reference to previous FIRs. Let us assume that there is an FIR which is 3 year old. Why will you arrest him and then put him in Taloja with hardened criminals? Is Goswami a terrorist? Is there a murder charge on him? You cannot say, I will read FIR and grant bail. Then this principle will not be followed in all high courts. There is no basis in law to grant bail on the basis of the FIR. If you say there is no offence is committed, then quash the FIR itself. Amit Desai for the state of Maharashtra. Remedy under section 439 CRPC open. Desai submitted that the Bombay High Court had refused to interfere in the matters as a remedy for the regular bail under section 439 of the CRPC was open to him. Goswami had then moved session court for bail and that plea is stated for hearing tomorrow. Harish Self for Arnab Goswami. No abetment to suicide. One of the main arguments advanced by Self was the fact that do not disclose an offence of abetment and suicide under section 306 of Indian Penal Code. Kapil Sibal for Maharashtra. On prima facie evidence, the bench asked Sibal whether a prima facie case is made out, to which he replied that it is pertinent issue, but the aspect has not been argued by Self. Article 226 should be excised to quash FIRs in rarest of rare cases. Desai admitted that a High Court is entitled under Article 226 of the Constitution to enter the domain of examining the issue related to bail for an offence of abetment of suicide under Section 306. C.U. Singh for Naik wives. Was kept in the dark about the closure report. Singh said that his client was not served a copy of the closure report, though it is mandatory to serve the same on the first informant. He also pointed out that the closure report was filed in 2019 without hearing the victim's counsel. On proximity of Goswami with the offence, the court queried about Goswami's connection to the case, likening it to charging an employer for non-payment of money to a labor contractor. Mukul Rohtagi for Nitish Sarda. No connection with the case. Rohtagi also maintained that his client has no connection with the incident. The other co-accused or Naik. If I am correct on this, the reinvestigation after Home Minister's order was illegal and ultra wires. And he said that I have a right to release. Gopal Shankaran Narayan for Firoz Sheikh. No proximity to the incident, appearing for one of the co-accused, Firoz Sheikh, a director of the Animal Studio Animation. Shankaran Narayan argued that his client had no proximity to the incident. Shankaran Narayan also said that executive cannot order investigation when a magistrate has accepted a closure report. That's all for today's presentation. Thank you and have a great day ahead.